Pagasa warns of possible rain showers, thunderstorms. Manila, Philippines. Mindanao and Eastern Visayas will experience cloudy skies with scattered rain and thunderstorms due to the Intertropical Convergence Zone. The State Weather Bureau said Sunday. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, Pagasa, advised residents in the said areas to brace for possible flash floods and landslides. Metro Manila and the rest of Luzon, meanwhile, will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies, with isolated rain showers due to localized thunderstorms. Pagasa said flash floods and landslides are likewise possible in the said areas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.